Her husband, Ray, has a $300,000 group life insurance policy, but is changing jobs and can't take it with him. Well, I impartially shopped the highly rated term life insurance companies we represent and found Ray, who is 41 and takes medication to control his cholesterol, a 10-year, $500,000 policy for under $26 a month. That's almost twice the coverage for less than half of what he had paid. If SelectQuote hasn't shopped for your life insurance, you're probably paying too much.
For your free quote, call 1-800-226-1818. That's 1-800-226-1818. 1-800-226-1818. Or go to SelectQuote.com. We shop, you save. Get full details on the example policy at SelectQuote.com/commercials. Your price can vary depending on your health, issuing company, and other factors. Not available in all states.
Let me surprise you with an interesting fact. You ready? Of all the media options today, AM/FM radio reaches the most people each week. Yeah, you heard me right. Radio is the leader. AM/FM. 93% of Americans listen to AM/FM radio every week. That's bigger than TV, newspapers, even Google and Facebook. If you're a marketer and you need to improve your plans, remember, radio. 'Cause I heard it on the radio.
Staples knows that behind every honor roll student is an honor roll mom who gets everything they need for back to school for less at Staples, like composition books and 2-pocket poly folders for just 50 cents, while supplies at 30 stores online. Ins 92. Staples. It's pro time.
For natural health alternatives, visit Healing Quest expert Dr. Dennis Godby online at sac-nd.com.
It's the Rush Limbaugh Show on the EIB Network, 800-282-2882. Coming up to the top of the hour, but exciting things next hour. Your calls, we're stacking them up, and thank you. It's so exciting to see calls from around the country. I wonder if any family is in there. Hold on. No, they still don't call. I'm Ken Matthews, filling in for Rush Limbaugh.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system. Broadcasters in our area are testing the equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency such as flooding, high winds, or a chemical spill, official messages would have followed this tone. This station serves the Sacramento Valley and Sierra Nevada foothill counties. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
News Radio KFBK Sacramento, KBEB HD2 Sacramento, KFBK FM Pollock Pines. First for breaking news.